Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. However, from the ancient days, some of these animals have seen their extinction year by year. We will be listing to you 5 most endangered animals in Kenya and where you can find them if you want to see them perhaps for the last time. Later in this video we share 5 ways that you can use to help the creatures to survive the times. Number 5. Lesser kudu. There are about 118,000 lesser kudu in the world and mainly found in Kenya, Ethiopia, Somalia, Uganda, South Sudan and Tanzania. Despite its shyness and its ability to camouflage themselves in dense cover, the beautiful lesser kudu has not been able to protect themselves from the dangerous hunters. The poachers go to the wild to get them for their hides, meat and horns. Since of time ago the horns are prized in Africa for use as containers, musical instruments, and symbolic ritual object. The herbivores have also been affected by the humans who capture their habitats as they burn charcoal and clear land for farming. Furthermore, the mammals have declined due to predators which include leopards, hunting dogs, spotted hyenas and humans. Number 4. Horola antelope. Also called hunter's antelope, is the most rarest and endangered antelope in the globe. It was one time common throughout East Africa but has had a terrible decline in the last 30 years, with numbers dropping from around 14,000 in the 70s to an estimated 600 today. The rare and beautiful antelopes are threatened by drought, poaching and habitat loss. The selective grazers can be found in Tsavo East National Park. Number 3. The black rhino. Almost 60 years ago, Kenya had an estimated number of 20,000 black rhinos, but just 2 decades later, they had decreased to less than 300. Thanks to conservation efforts, the black rhino population is little by little recovering, and there are now over 600 black rhinos in Kenya. They may not see you well, but they can hear even your heartbeat. Black rhinos, which also has a very powerful sense of smell, are one of the most critically endangered animals in Kenya. This is blamed largely on poaching which is done to acquire their unique horns. It's said that the strong horns of the mammals grows to about 56 inches, are rich in calcium and melanin. This make it suitable raw materials for trophies and jewelry. Sometimes, the precious body parts are ground up and used in traditional Chinese medicine. The powder is often added to food or brewed in a tea in the faith that the horns are a potent aphrodisiac, a hangover cure and treatment for rheumatism, gout, fever and other disorders. Apart from poaching, the black rhino has the highest known combat death rate in all mammals. Closely to 50% of males black rhinos meet their death fighting each other. The speed of energetic creatures are not restricted by their heavy weight of up to 2,300 kilograms. When charging to their opponents or enemies, they moved at a speed of up to 56 kilometers per hour. This brings an impact that can lead to either of the fighting males to death in the first encounter. Rhinos are also getting the verge of extinction due to the high rate of destruction of their habitat largely by us human beings. This leaves no home for the big mammals to live in. In Kenya, black rhino can sported on the southwestern outskirts of Kenya, Nairobi National Park, Tsavo East Natural Park, Masai Mara and Alpegeta Conservancy and Laikipia National Park near Nanyuki. Number 2. Grevy's zebra. It is in the late 1970s that Kenya would boast of over 15,000 Grevy's zebra roaming in the wild. This drastically reduced over the years, and the 2016 Great Grevy's Census results showed that Kenya is now home to 2,350 Grevy's zebras, which 90% of the world's population. Like for many other animals, poaching is one of the reasons the striped creatures are heading to their extinction. Poachers hunt the zebras for their hide that has black and white stripe which are as distinctive as human fingerprints. The skin is used to make slaughtered to be made into handbags, wallets, slippers, rugs, and coats. One Grevy's zebra skin goes for not less than $2,000. Occasionally, the herbivorous are killed for food and, in some areas, medicinal uses continue. Additionally to illegal hunting, Grevy's also face unfortunate threats from disease, drought, outbreaks, habitat loss, competition from livestock and other grazer for food and water and fragmented populations. Predators such as lions, cheetahs, hyenas, hunting dogs, African wild dogs, leopards and humans also adds to their extinction. In Kenya, the species is mainly controlled to northern Kenya, with minor, introduced populations in Tsavo National Park and a Syrian wildlife sanctuary found in Naivasha. Number 1. The Tana River primates. Both the Tana River red colobus and the Tana River mangabe have been put in a dangerous situation due to deforestation and destruction created by an increasing human population. Tana River red colobus had been considered one of the world's 25 most endangered primates. Survey conducted in 1987 concluded that since 1975 there has been approximately an 80% decline in the numbers of Tana River colobus monkeys. These primates can be located along the lower Tana River in southeastern Kenya. Now we will guide you to the 5 ways of protecting the endangered species that you can easily perform. But before that, hit the subscription button. Number 1. Learn about endangered species in your area. Teach your friends and family about the wonderful wildlife, birds, fish and plants that live near you. The first step to protecting endangered species is learning about how interesting and important they are. Number 2. Minimize use of herbicides and pesticides. Herbicides and pesticides are hazardous pollutants that can affect wildlife at many levels. Reduce use of fertilizer. Excess fertilizer will likely wash into streams and rivers and may lead to amphibian deformities and deaths. Number 3. Reduce your use of water in your home and garden so that animals that live in or near water can have a better chance of survival. Number 4. Slow down when driving. Many animals live in developed areas, and this means they must navigate a landscape full of human hazards. So when you're out and about, slow down and keep an eye out for animals. Number 5. Never purchase products made from endangered species like ivory, coral and tortoiseshell. Buy exotic plants and animals only from reputable stores. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.